magandang hapon po. Si Zach ito. I hope you are fine. Today is Independence Day, so my congratulations to all the Filipinos. And I just wanted to tell you today, we are June 2007. I just wanted to explain to you very briefly the ACAP logo. The ACAP logo is about Jesus Christ. As we can see over here, the right hand goes towards the Lord. The street to him is going up and zigzagging, and the left hand is down, which is the way going to hell, because Satan says, "Come to me, my way is straight and going down, and that is to hell." So these are the works. We like to help people, but salvation is not by helping people. Salvation is by believing in the Lord Jesus Christ. Of course, we show our faith in Jesus through the good works. And ACAP is both. It's like Yakap. Yakap embracing. So the good works are very important, and also the faith in Jesus Christ, which is even more important. As you can see on the right here of ACAP logo, Jesus is in the light, while the works are in the shadow. So ACAP is like the tip of the iceberg. We don't want to be famous, we don't seek that, but when we help people, there are thousands of people who have found trabajo, jobs, through ACAP, and then we send boxes of food and garments to the Philippines and to the poor. We don't want to show up, we don't want to be famous, but it is like the tip of the iceberg. What you can see on the outside is just a small part of what there is down of the iceberg, which is hidden and which we don't talk about. We hope that you will be part of the ACAP family and make your own treasures in heaven, and we thank you for your love and for your prayers, and we also pray for you. God bless you. Ciao, ciao.